জনাব ওবায়দুর রহমান স্যারকে স্যার
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President of this discussion meeting on the occasion of Golden Jubilee celebration of the independence of Bangladesh, organized by Hussain Ali High School, respected teachers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 26th March. On this day, in 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, father of the nation, declared the independence of Bangladesh, and the people of this country started fighting against the occupation army. In response of the declaration of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the people of Bangladesh started fighting against the occupation army. However, on this occasion, from the core of my mind, I would like to remember the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and I also remember the national leaders of that time, Tajuddin Ahmed, Syed Mansur Ali, Syed Nazrul Islam, and many other national leaders and all the organizers of the War of Independence. I also remember from the core of my mind 7 Bir Shrestha and 69 Bir Uttam, 175 Bir Bikram and 426 Bir Poti. I also pray for the deported soul of the 30 lakh martyrs who sacrificed their lives in the war of liberation. I also show respect and remember 2 lakh women who sacrificed their chastity during the war of liberation. Dear audience, now I would like to focus on the history of Independence Day. It is a matter of great regret that even after 50 years of independence, there is a conflict between the people of Bangladesh, that who is the proclaimer of the independence of Bangladesh. It is also a matter of great sorrow that we had to go to the Supreme Court to mitigate the matter. Our Honorable Supreme Court declared that Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the proclaimer of the War of Independence. You know that Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh on the 26th March, very early hours of the day, through the wireless set of EPR. And from then, the people of Bangladesh started fighting. I have already mentioned it in my previous lecture. However, I would like to mention that the formal declaration is given by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman on 26 March. But I think that informally, the declaration of the independence, War of Independence, given by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman on 7th March in 1971. On 7th March in 1971, you know that Bangabandhu declared that এবারের সংগ্রাম মুক্তির সংগ্রাম, এবারের সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম. So it is very much obvious that Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh informally on that very day. And after that, on the day of 27th March in 1971, then Major Jia declared the independence of Bangladesh in favor of our Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Then Ziaur Rahman returned. I, Major Jia, declared the independence of Bangladesh in favor of our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So, it is very much clear that Ziaur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh in favor of our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. As a major, Ziaur Rahman cannot declare the independence of Bangladesh because he was not the representative of the people. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the representative of the people. So, he had every right to declare the independence of Bangladesh at the time. So, I think that there will be no conflict from now that who is the proclaimer of the independence of Bangladesh. I will request all the leaders, all the intellectuals, all the teachers to give the right message to the people, general people. There is no conflict here. However, you know that Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested on that night. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested on the very early of the 26th March, and before that you know that the soldiers of occupation army attacked on the sleeping people of Bangladesh, and on that night about 50,000 people were killed very brutally. And you know that they also attacked on the Razarbagh police line, and the police of Razarbagh resisted the Pakistani army with few arms. However, on that war, 150 police were killed in that war. However, from this time, the war of liberation started, and people from all walks of life took part in the war of liberation. You know that yesterday our government has already expressed the names of the war of liberation freedom fighters. The list of freedom fighters was disclosed yesterday. On that list, we saw that 1,47,000 freedom fighters took part in the war of liberation. But I think they were enlisted as the freedom fighters. But generally, if you consider generally, all the people of Bangladesh took part in that war. Though they did not take arms in their hands, but they helped the freedom fighters, and they gave food, they gave shelter to the freedom fighters. So, I would like to say that 70% people of the time supported the freedom fighters. So, in my point of view, most of the people of Bangladesh at the time were the freedom fighters. However, you know that Bangladesh has achieved independence under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Now we are politically independent, but we have not got financial emancipation. Now our great leader, the eldest daughter of the father of the nation, Deshratna Sheikh Hasina, is now fighting against that enemy. Now our present enemy is poverty. Sheikh Hasina is fighting against that poverty. And At present, most of the people live upper level of the upper level. They are now very much solvent. Nowadays, Bangladesh is compared with Malaysia and Singapore. Now we are moving forward. So I hope that all the people will be sincere and work with hand in hand and go on fighting with the poverty, and very soon Bangladesh will be a prosperous country. I hope that before 2041 Bangladesh will be a prosperous country, and it is regarded that Bangladesh will be the 25th largest economic country in the world within 2035. If we work sincerely, if we have patriotism in our mind, and we work for the future nation, we work for us, then our country will be very developed country very soon. Hoping that I would like to conclude my speech here. Thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you to everyone.